This is the Korean chicken I make when I want restaurant quality flavor without ordering takeout. Not only is it one of the best tasting chicken recipes I've made, but it's also easy to make as well. We'll make it in the air fryer and I'll show you how right now. Grab a large bowl to start mixing your marinade in. Add 6 tablespoons of gochujang paste. This is the Korean chili paste and you can find it in most grocery stores. For the rest of our marinade ingredients, we'll need 6 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of honey, 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1.5 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1.5 teaspoons of minced ginger, 1.5 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and finally, half a teaspoon of red chili flakes. Mix everything together until the marinade is fully combined and smooth. Then set it aside for now. We'll use 3 pounds of chicken thighs for this recipe. The thighs and the sauce are what help make this dish so flavorful, but you can use chicken breasts if you prefer. Pour half of your marinade over the raw chicken. We'll use 1/2 to coat the chicken and save the other half for brushing later. Mix well until every piece of chicken is fully coated in the mixture. You can cook these right away like I am, or you can let it marinate in the fridge for about 30 minutes to 2 hours. Take out your air fryer basket and spray the inside with non-stick cooking spray. Place the marinated chicken thighs in your air fryer in a single layer. Leave some space between each piece so the heat circulates properly. You will likely need to cook these in 2 batches depending on the size of your air fryer. Cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 22 minutes. I'm doing 20 minutes for this one. Flip the chicken halfway through the cooking time so both sides get nice and caramelized. Once it's done cooking, remove them from the air fryer and then repeat this process until all of your chicken thighs are fully cooked. Take out your reserved marinade that you set aside earlier, then brush the marinade over the cooked chicken. This gives it some extra flavor and a nice glossy finish. Garnish with some sliced green onions and sesame seeds on top. Then you're set to serve your air fryer Korean chicken thighs. These store in the fridge for up to 4 days, so this is a solid meal prep lunch or dinner that gives you 6 high protein servings. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other air fryer recipes. And if you found this recipe helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more healthy recipes every week.